There's a version of owning property in Medellin that most people don't know exists. Not a rental apartment that you furnish from a catalog, not a new build that you buy off of a floor plan and hope for the best. Something that was designed, actually designed by someone that knew exactly what they were doing before any wall went up. We're at Wake, and what I'm about to show you is going to change the way you think about what an apartment in Medellin can be. All the details for this property are in the description below. Let's go. The owner of this apartment had a top New York City designer and architect come to put it together. Instead of using the standard finishes that all of the other apartments received, they redesigned it. Custom cabinetry, custom lighting, custom everything. What big of a difference will that make? Walk into this apartment and decide for yourself. This is not what a furnished apartment looks like. This is what it looks like when a top New York City architect designs an apartment to live in. The cluster of wooden sphere pendant lights suspended over the living area, the matte black kitchen cabinetry with warm LED underlighting and an open display shelf, the cylindrical black exterior hood anchoring the island, the olive green gallery wall covered in original art, the live edgewood coffee tables, the polished concrete ceiling running through every room. Every decision in here was made by someone with a point of view, and it shows. Before we go any further, this terrace, man. Wake is known in Medellin. It has a reputation, and part of that reputation is this, what you see when you step outside. A glass-railed terrace with an unobstructed panoramic view of the entire city and the Andes Mountains rising behind it. Wake is not just an address, it's a building with infrastructure. Rooftop pool with city views, co-working space, fully equipped gym, a wellness zone with steam room, sauna, hotel-style lobby, 24/7 security. But the amenities are the building. What the owner built inside is something else entirely. There are two highlights in this kitchen. This island right here with the scratchless surface and the electric stovetop on it, and also the custom cabinetry. This European finish has a hideaway refrigerator right here. This is the second bedroom. Now, I've been doing real estate in Medellin for a long time, and this is not a normal size for a second bedroom. This feels like a master bedroom. Imagine falling asleep here while watching Netflix after a long day of discovering the city. A dark textured stone accent wall anchors the room behind the bed. A round mirror sets centered on it with crescent moon pendant lights hanging alongside. Floor-to-ceiling curtains, wood paneling, a view of the city through the window. In a short-term rental, this room earns its own rate. As a home, it's a guest room that no guest will ever want to leave. The en-suite bathroom with the rainfall shower head, custom lighting, scratchless surfaces is a guest favorite. If you're looking at Medellin as a place to invest, this is the version of that decision that removes the most friction. The apartment is finished, it's remodeled, it's furnished, it's equipped, it's short-term rental approved. You're not project managing anything, you're not sourcing any furniture. You buy it and it's ready to go. If you want to see the rental numbers, the reports are available upon request. And remember, when you're ready to buy a property in Medellin within the next 30 days, you have a budget of over $150,000 and you want to work with our team and our proven system, there's a link in the description below. Fill out the form and somebody on the team will get back to you as soon as possible. All of the listing details are in the description as well. Now on to the major feature of this apartment. The master bedroom. This is where the design conviction really shows in the apartment. Imagine yourself waking up at 6 a.m., the sun is rising over here, and you see the entire mountainside, the entire city on that side. You have your cup of coffee while sitting in the master bedroom if you wanted to, or on the terrace, which this room has access to. Floor-to-ceiling glass on two sides, the city on one, lush tropical plants climbing outside the other, warm wall scones casting light across it, king-size bed with a beautiful rug beneath it. The room was not designed for sleeping in. It was designed for waking up in, and there is a difference. The bathroom maintains the same design language as every other room in this apartment. Wood-tone large format tiles running floor to ceiling in the shower, matte black fixtures throughout, faucets, handles, shower controls, all black. A long double floating vanity with a white stone countertop. And through the sliding door, a walk-in closet lit from within. Full wood shelving, warm internal lighting, the kind of storage space that makes the bedroom feel permanent rather than temporary. The building, the amenities, the design. All of that's exceptional, but this, the city spread out before you, the mountains in the background, the city lights coming on as the evening settles in, this is what you own every single day. A well-known architect helped build this and made it into something that most people in this city will never get to live in. The fact that it also generates income is almost beside the point. Wake has a second tower coming in. This one has already been built out. All of the amenities are already built out, and that timing matters. When you're ready to take a look at this one, or maybe you're looking for something completely different, there's a link in the description below. Fill out the form and somebody on the team will get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you guys in the next one.